I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting mixed-skin potatoes. Red and yukon give contrasting color, which creates the marble effect once cut. Place whole, unpeeled potatoes in salted water to preserve texture and flavor. Bring to a rolling boil. Once boiling, lower heat to maintain a simmer so the outsides don't split while the centers cook. You want fork-tender potatoes. Check at 18 minutes, then every 2-3 minutes to avoid overcooking, because firm but cooked potatoes hold shape better when you marble them. Once done, you cool potatoes quickly in an ice bath. This stops carryover cooking and firms the flesh for cleaner slicing. Make purposeful cuts. Slice thinly through the potato to reveal skin bands, or half slice in fan pieces so red and yellow contrast. That technique produces obvious marbling when tossed. Combine the dressing, mayo, vinegar, mustard, a drizzle of oil, salt, and pepper. Whisk until smooth. Make sure to taste. Dressing should be slightly tangy to balance starch, because flavor brings out the marble visually. You finish by gently folding the chilled potatoes into the dressing so layers stay defined. Aggressive stirring will mash edges and ruin the marble look. Once combined, chill the salad for 1-2 hours so flavors settle and the contrast between skins and flesh becomes pronounced. When serving, garnish with chopped herbs for color contrast. If something goes wrong, say the salad is soggy, drain off excess liquid, add crisp elements like celery or thinly sliced radish, and briefly refrigerate to restore texture and visual definition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.